Today on Dub World, we are taking a cruise to an open car show in Dover, Florida. There's a lot of cool rides there and, of course, cool VWs. And if you can tell, my voice is coming back. I'm finally feeling better, and I'm ready to get out and ride. Ready to join me? If so, let's go. Now we've got something unique for you. I know you're saying Herbie's not unique. I see him everywhere. But trust me, this one is. This car was owned by Disney and was actually given away at the grand opening of Disney World in 1971. Lucky family got to take this home as a prize. How cool is that? So this is a once Disney-owned car that's now in private hands. Currently owned by Greg and PJ Carr of Florida. If you're around at any of the shows in Florida, you may get to see this sweet little Beetle. And she's pretty much all original. The paint interior has not been touched since it was given away. As far as I know, just had a few touch-ups and just really nice car. And the bus parked next to it is also owned by them as well. It's a Matchbox-inspired panel van, double door, very clean bus. And this one gets out to a lot of shows, so chances are you'll probably see this one more often than Herbie. But both of them are unique vehicles and well worth checking out in more detail. Well, that's it for today. It turned out to be a great day, a great show, great weather, and great driving. As always, thank you so much for supporting the channel, and I'll see you real soon.